We're going to look at making a sheet to print off a title block in Revit. To do that, the first thing we're going to have to do is go into the A1 first floor plan, and chances are you're going to see your drawing here. I've already erased mine, but if you see it here, you have to click on it and hit the delete button, and that will erase it off of the first floor plan. The way Revit works, it does not allow you to have a sheet or a floor plan on more than one sheet to eliminate redundancy if you have to print off all of the sheets in a program. So we will erase it off of the first floor A1 plan. And the reason we don't want to use this plan is because that is for a sheet of paper that is 2 feet wide and 3 feet long, and we don't need to use that big of a piece of paper for most of our drawings. We need to create a new sheet now by right-clicking on the word Sheets and hit New Sheet. We want the 11 by 17 horizontal sheet. If you don't see that in your options, then you'll need to click the Load button, scroll all the way down to Title Blocks, and you do the 11 by 17 horizontal. It's already loaded into mine, so I don't need to use this option. It will then show up in this window. I hit OK, and there it is. Now, because this is a program that I've used before, a sheet that I've used before, it automatically puts my name, my project name in there. One thing I want you to pay close attention to is the sheet number, E5. That way when I'm looking through all of my sheets, I can just look for E5, and it says unnamed. If I wanted to name it, I can just click on it, and I'll call it ARC1 or whatever the project is that you're working on. Now, instead of saying unnamed, it says ARC1. So leaving this sheet up, I'm going to scroll up to my first floor plan, and I'm only going to click on it one time, and I'm going to hold it. So I'm going to click and drag, drop it right on my sheet, and it's going to fall right into there. If it's too big or too small, I can come over to the view scale, and if I go up the view scale, it gets bigger, and if I would go down, it would get smaller. So there's my floor plan that I want. If I also want to have a section view, I can come in here, find a 3D view that I made, or a section view, and I could drag that 3D view right into my sheet. It's the same for any view that you create. You just have to drag and drop it right into your sheet. So I take the 3D view, put it right there, and there's the 3D view. That is how we create a sheet. To print the sheet then, I'll come up here to the big R, I'll hit print, and down here in the print range, I need to say selected views or sheets. I'll hit select, and I need to find my sheet E5 Art1 and hit OK. No, I don't need to save those for a future Revit session. And hit OK, and it will print.